Oh,
So
amen. Amen.
it's
Yeah.
all about eating the right food. And I'm not saying deprive yourself from the food that you like, but
Mm-mm.
eat mindfully. And then move, exercise. You
Mm-mm.
need to be agile. You need to, like, don't take the elevator if you can take the stairs.
Mm-mm.
Simple things as that.
Mm-mm.
Simple things like breathing, looking at the trees. That's
Mm-mm.
ecotherapy.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Digital detox.
Mm-mm.
Like, I'm guilty of that because it's very seldom that I leave my phone. So and then socialization is one. Like what we're doing right now, it's healthy for us, for our
Mm-mm.
soul, because we're socializing. And the
Mm-mm.
more important thing is the spiritual wellness.
Amen.
So
Amen. Amen. Oh my
if
gosh.
you
Yes,
want
yes,
to,
yes.
if you want to distress, and you talk about mental health, stress management, it's all about taking a pause,
Mm-mm.
resetting, and going back to the words, be still and know that I am God.
Yes,
Then you stop worrying.
yes.
Then you start painting. Then you start playing with your kids. So um,
Mm-mm.
we owe it to
Mm-mm.
ourselves, and
Mm-mm.
encourage everyone to really love yourself. And it's not all about buying all the luxury bags, but it's all about looking at your health.
Yes,
Where
yes,
was the last checkup?
yes.
um, do you have the health insurance that you need in case you
Mm-mm.
get sick, or the savings for your health?
Yes,
We have so many gadgets, but we don't even save for our health.
yes.
So it's time to change the mindset. And my role is not just to market a brand or to talk to the CEOs, avail the service, but really educate the public,
Mm-mm.
starting with the younger generation.